If you thought your Bible covers were already cute, we're about to take them to a whole new level. Today we're going to be stepping into the junk trend, but we're going to be making it girly. Pearls, patches, bows, lace. It's like Girly just threw up all over my Bible, but honestly, I am not mad at it. This is for the girl who loves her Bible, her creativity, and she wants her faith pieces to be just as expressive as her personality. Not messy junk, not random junk, but intentional girly junk that tells a story. This is the very first piece in my new junk series, starting with the junk Bible cover. And then next we're going to be taking it to a junk tote and then to a junk Christmas crossbody. So if you're ready to turn your Bible cover into something meaningful, layered, textured, and unapologetically feminine, let's get into it. So this fabric, I think it was called Blush Velvet Fleece. On the inside, I used some cheetah print canvas, and on the outside, I did add a little cheetah on there. I love a little cheetah. I added a few words like pray and God. I added my name on it, and then I love my little pink tumbler. Also, I love to travel. So the word Bible is on here. I added some of the little boho patches that I had, and a lot of just gold because I love gold. So the gold pearls with the diamonds on it, the gold hearts. I have pearls all over, little crosses all over. So I think this is super cute. I also added some pom-pom trim around it, the lace, and a beautiful pink bow. So your Bible doesn't have to look like everyone else's to be meaningful. It can be beautiful and expressive and deeply personal. So this is just the beginning of my junk series. And next we're gonna be taking the same junk energy and turning it into a junk tote bag and also a junk Christmas crossbody bag that I think you're gonna love. If you enjoyed this project, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next one. And if you want to sew along with me and get extra support and be a part of a community that actually gets this creative life, I'll leave the Sewphie Circle link below. Thank you for sewing with me and creating beautiful things, and I'll see you in the next video.